Hey guys, Jason here. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. If you guys saw the last video, we had a big problem with our lug nuts on our Toyota Tundra. Well, this week we're putting new tires on the RV. We have a 2014 Kodiak. It's made by Dutchman. We bought it in 14. It's a 15. So the tires are like 7 years old. They're the original tires. I believe they're Westlake tires that came with the RV. They've been great. We've never had a problem with it. I've always heard the horror stories of everybody online talking about the China bomb tires and how they break and blow up and damage our RV. But we've been pretty lucky. I think we've never had an issue, and we just keep rolling with them. But this year, we just decided let's just change it here before the camping season starts. So everybody online has been talking about the Goodyear Endurance trailer tires, so that's what we picked. These are 205/75 R14s. Ours is a double axle, so there's 4 tires. So tonight we're going to take off the one side, we're going to jack it up, remove the tires, and I'll take them to the tire center store, and they'll mount and balance them for me. So come on and follow along, and let's check it out. Covers off. Oh man, woo! That one's on there. So we got both tires off. We put the spare on just as a precaution. I have 2 jacks plus jack stands under there, but just a safety concern, just to keep a spare tire on, just so God forbid both jacks fail and both jack stands fail. So okay guys, just picked up the first set of tires from the tire center. They mounted and balanced them. We're gonna get them on the trailer right now, and we'll get the other tires off the other side. First tire's going on. Maggie's just gonna tighten the bolts a little bit. So we got the tire on. Now we're gonna take out our jack stand. And then we'll go ahead and let some pressure out here. All right, let's get the spare off. Wow, that thing went the whole way, Maggie. All right. There it is. Good. Oh, lug nuts. Yeah. Nice. There you go. Good. I use those little knee pads. All right.
You're good.
gets tough. This is where everybody's got to get tough.
All right, you're off the ground.
Okay, thanks again. All right, safety jack. Okay, in case that comes down. And that's it. How'd it go?
I win. Oh, yeah.
You want to wheel this over to the truck. It's all muddy there. All right. Number 2. You want to lift them up? Are you okay? Holy moly. Woo! You doing 2?
Yeah, why not?
All right. Let's put the spare on as a safety, just in case things start to fall. Okay. All right, so we'll go ahead and get the new tires ready to go. All right. Flick it. There you go.
Ooh.
Two at one time. All right, so Maggie's getting them ready for them. Take them to the tire shop tomorrow, and they will mount.
They will not fit.
Oh, we'll get them. We'll get them on top there. All right.
Almost.
Bump it. There you go. All right, guys, so that's day 2 of the new Goodyear Endurance on our 2015 Kodiak RV trailer. Tomorrow we'll take the other set over to the tire place and they will mount and balance them, and we'll get them on tomorrow. So we'll see you tomorrow. Okay guys, so we got the second set of tires in today, and I just wanted to show you guys a quick comparison of the old tires and the new tires. On the right here are the old tires. These are the original tires that came with the RV. We bought the RV in 2014. What came with it were Westlake. They're load range C. They had a weight capacity of 1760 pounds, and that was at 50 psi. So now new Goodyears are, they're Goodyear Endurance. They're load range D. So now we're going up to 2,040 pounds, and that's at 65 psi cold. So we're gonna get these on and we'll be all done with this project. All right, getting ready for camping 2021. All right. tires done, so take out our safety. And then we can let this down a little bit. Woo! There you go, you got it. Yeah, once it clicks.
Okay, hold it down. All right, and that's it. All right, Maggie's putting the finishing torque on. Nice. Put chalk in there. Yeah, for sure. And I gotta start the top, kind of wiggle it. Good. Okay, take our clip off. All right, guys, so that's it. We got the new Goodyear Endurance tires on the trailer, and hopefully we'll get a good 7 to 10 years out of those tires. So thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.